Hey there, Cameron. What we're going to do to get you through the last 7 weeks of geometry, I'm going to put you on an independent studies track. You're going to be working your Alex Pi when you're on campus during our 6th period. You're welcome to come to class, and I will have you at a desk, and I will be able to cycle by and help you during class. You're going to be showing your work in a notebook. And when you're under circumstances where you have to be at home, you should be averaging about 4 hours of work on the Pi through the rest of the year. And your grade is going to be based, instead of having tests and quizzes and homework and all this variety of paperwork, your grade is going to be solely based on your percent. Let me show you how to read your percent. So right now, if you go here and you click reports, and you see this is your first page of your report, and you come over here and you check your percent. Your current percent is 19%. So look at this chart. Your goal is this. You want to hit, you're currently at 19%. Your goal is to get between 25 and 29% by April 22nd. These are all Friday dates. And if you're between that range, I will add whatever points is necessary in my grade book to get your grade to a C-. If your Alex Pi is between 30 and 38%, I will manipulate whatever I need to in my grade book to make you to go up to a C, etc. So that's on April the 22nd. And then April the 29th. So 1 week you might only get to that percent, but let's say by April the 29th you really work hard and you get yourself up to this range. So I will put the points in my grade book so that you end up with a C+. And let's say some weekend you just have plenty of time to catch up. And let's say by May the 13th, you're able to get your Pi up to 58%. And then I will put whatever grades in whatever grades or points in my grade book in order to get your grade up to a B. So if you see this chart, that's where we're shooting for. So absolute minimal to pass my class is to get your Pi up to 54%. It's about 30% beyond, or a little bit, 35% beyond where you're at right now. So that is easily doable if you're averaging 3 to 4 hours a week. Now, working your Pi. So you are at home. That's how you do reports. You click on Continue My Path. And you click on this little drop-down menu. And you have a bunch of different topics. You can do any topic you want. You're going to work it through. Now, what I recommend you do is you choose any topic, but once you choose a topic, okay, let's say we're going to do volume of a rectangular prism. You want to click on that, and then go to my website, have my website, and let me show you what link I want you to use. On my website, there's Alex explanation videos. And once again, we're doing, right now, is a volume of a rectangular prism. So you come over here, you find that pie slice, which is going to be under volume and surface area. And it says right there, volume of a rectangular prism. You click on that. And then there's going to be an explanation video. These are very short. You can see that they're only like 1 minute to 2 minutes long. They're very short. I want you to watch those videos. It'll help you go much faster through this. Take a few notes in a notebook. Once you watch that video, they come over here, kind of glance at the explanation, and hit start. Okay, you do your work. Please show your work in a notebook and plop your answer in. And this one's going to be 8 times 8 times 8. And then you just plop it in there. It's 8 cubed. And make sure you get your units. You hit check. And you keep going. You're going to have to go about 5 times through. And if at any time you don't know how to do it, you can get an explanation right here by clicking, and it'll give you another explanation to get through it. And then you click on more practice. But you have to keep doing this until this little bar becomes green completely, and it pats you on the back and says, "Good job, Cameron." And then it'll send you back to your home page. And then you choose another topic to work through. And every time you choose another topic, I want you to try to find the corresponding video on my website. For example, circumference of a circle. So you click on that. And you come over here and you find that same topic under here, circumference and area of a circle. Click. Again, you watch the explanation, take a few notes. Once you know what you're doing, you come back here, you hit start. And please make sure you follow the instructions for Alex. When it asks you to use 3.14 for pi, use exactly that, not a pi key on a calculator. Use the Alex calculator. That'll help you with the accuracy issues. Again, your job is to increase your pi so that you are hitting these targets. So every week on Friday evening, I'm going to check for these percents. And depending on what percent is, I'll just put whatever points are necessary in my grade book to get you up to that grade. So theoretically, if at the end of the semester you're way over here in your pi percent, you can still pull off an A in this class. If you have any questions or concerns, Cameron, please email me. I'll happily talk to you in person. If you wish to call, your parents have my cell phone number, or you can email me for questions. I'm going to be emailing this grid to you. I still want to see you during class time. When you are on campus, you're going to work in class, and then you're expected to do about 2 hours at home for a total of about 4 hours a week, 3 to 4 hours a week working on this.